ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa.
wàhálà ńlá mìíràn lélẹ́yìí o àwọn South Africa wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o rògbòdìyàn ti ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ o gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ Áfíríkà pátá ni wọ́n ti ń lé o wọ́n ya sí títì wọ́n ní àwọn ò fẹ́ àjèjì kankan mọ́ nínú ìlú àwọn pàápàá jùlọ ọmọ Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní kí wọ́n máa kó ẹrù wọn kí wọ́n máa lọ ní o ẹ wò ó wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pa àwọn èèyàn ní South Africa o gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn tí a gbọ́ lánàá wọ́n ní èèyàn 3 ni wọ́n pa níbẹ̀ o ẹ bá wa gbọ́ ohun tí arábìnrin tó jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn immigration officer wọn ó ní àwọn ò fẹ́ rí dúdú kankan South Africa ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o wọ́n ní àwọn ò fẹ́ rí Áfíríkà ẹyẹ kan báyìí nínú ìlú àwọn ẹ wo arákùnrin tí wọ́n dá dúró yìí wọ́n gba ìwé ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ìwé ìrìnnà rẹ̀ wọ́n gbà á wọ́n yẹ̀ wò fínífíní wọ́n ní kí ló ń ṣe nínú ìlú àwọn wọ́n péjọ pọ̀ lé lórí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ohùn tí kẹ́ bá wa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn.
We are fixing this continent. This thing of you guys moving from one country to the other, it's no longer working. We don't want this as African people anymore. We are tired of seeing African migrants moving all over the world, refusing to fix your own countries. Now we're making it very clear to you guys, we don't want you here. We want you to fix your countries. Now you came here with a traveling document, you came with a passport. You know that you are a visitor, but now you decided to come and integrate in our communities. You know very well that what you have done is wrong.
How many children do you have here?
We can come to Ghana and do what you're doing.
Passport.
Eh? Now you are carrying a bucket. It's 11 a.m. You are supposed to be fighting the government of Ghana there to ensure that they are getting things right.
No, there's no fight in Ghana. You must fight what they did.
Where's your papers?
Passport.
Passport.
What's your passport?
Take it out.
Let me see your passport. Let me see. Luna. Okay, tell me, who's the police officer that you are bribing to certify these things for you? Baba, let me tell you, I'm not foolish. These things, let me tell you, ne? You know by law you're not supposed to certify as an immigrant. You're not allowed to certify your passport.
No.
Okay, why do you certify your passport in a foreign land? Let's just start there. Why do you certify your passport in a foreign land?
You see, it was raining.
I follow you guys now on Facebook. How you?
It was raining these days. And when you go out with the passport, sometimes it gets spoiled. That's why I satisfied so that it won't spoil.
Baba, Ghana don't do that.
Okay.
Ghana don't do that.
All right, sharp.
Ghana
Let me
is
show
the
you.
only African country that is.
Let me show you that when you are abusing our systems, ne? On the 10th of April, again, the 10th of April, you entered your country when? The very same day you came back. When? Yeah, it's a proof. Yeah. Proof. Yeah, the proof.
That crocodile can't go.
You went to Ghana on the 10th, and then you came back.
No,
because here it says you exited Ghana to South Africa. When? Here it says you entered, here you exited. And it's the same date. It's the 10th of April, 10th of April.
This stamp you got there in Elov Street on the street. This is where you got the stamp.
Oh, they've got a connection here.
No.
I am telling you, that's where they buy it from.
Papers don't.
Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.